to formally let's begin today's program. Respected chief guest, respected principal sir, distinguished teachers, and my dear listeners. Good morning to all present over here. I am Anish Fatima with my co-anchor Khushi Meena here to host today's event.
बातें गीतों में कहूँ, अब हमारे विद्यालय के छात्रों को अपनी गायन प्रतिभा दिखाने का अवसर मिला है। तो आइए हमारे विद्यार्थियों को गीत गाने के लिए मंच पर स्वागत करें।
Dignified guests, fellow teachers and my dear students. Kendriya Vidyalayas, as we call KVs lovingly, and had a special place in the hearts of countless number of families across the nation. And KV Sangathan established on 15th December 1963. Did you know there are 1,250 Kendriya Vidyalayas across India? And even though 3 more Kendriya Vidyalayas are there, established across the abroad. Those are Kathmandu of Nepal, Moscow of Russia, and Tehran of Iran. These 3 schools are there. A platform to explore their talents through various initiatives like Bharat Scouts and Guides, NCC, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, Jigyasa, FLN and Nipun Bharat Lakshyas and many more. You have made the nation proud, such as Rakesh Sharma, the first man in the space, Rajavardhan Singh Rathod, an Olympic medalist, and Sushmita Sen, a former Miss Universe, among many others. And thank you and wishing everyone a happy Foundation Day. Jai Bharat.
Now, I would like to call for the vote of thanks.
ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి విద్యార్థిని విద్యార్థులకు మొట్టమొదట మీ ఫౌండేషన్ డేకి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అట్లే నాకు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేందుకు మీతో కలిసి ఈ సమయాన్ని గడిపేందుకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు మరి కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ తక్కినటువంటి టీచర్స్కి నేను హృదయపూర్వకమైన కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మీ పిల్లలతో గడిపేటువంటి సమయం ఎంతో ఆనందంగా ఉంటుంది. నన్ను ఇక్కడికి ఆహ్వానించినటువంటి పెద్దలందరికీ మనఃపూర్వకమైనటువంటి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఆ టీచర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా పిల్లలకి శుభ అభినందనాలు తెలియజేస్తాను.
तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय से हमारे केवी का अस्तित्व है, पहचान है। न जाने ये पंडित मोहल्ला और सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों परेशान है। माना इसका संविधान में सबसे ऊंचा स्थान है, पर इसके सोच से देश नहीं तो ना सही, पर हम केवियंस तो हैरान हैं। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, हमारे विद्यालय के लिए आपका समय और मार्गदर्शन अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। आज के इस स्थापना दिवस के अंतर्गत आप कृपया मंच पर आए और हमें आपके विचारों से अवगत कराएं।
चीफ गेस्ट श्रीमती के पद्मावती गारू, करेस्पांडेंट गेट्स इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज गुत्ती, मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड श्री सुल्तान अहमद सर, retired KVS teacher, and respected parents, respected press reporters, teachers, and my dear students. Today, we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Foundation Day, a day that holds a deep significance in the hearts of everyone associated with this prestigious institution. It is a day of pride, reflection and celebration of the glorious legacy of Kendriya Vidyalayas, which have been nurturing young minds since their inception. Established on 15th December 1963, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was founded with a noble vision to cater to the educational needs of the children of transferable central government employees, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by providing a uniform and high quality education system across the country. Over the decades, this vision has a network of over 1,200 schools across India and abroad, serving as a shining beacon of excellence in education. The Kendriya Vidyalayas stand apart for their commitment to holistic education. These schools not only focus on academic brilliance, but also emphasize the development of essential values, cultural awareness, and a spirit of inquiry among students. They are institutions where the ethos of unity in diversity is celebrated every day, where the students from different regions, cultures, and backgrounds come together to learn, grow, and thrive as responsible citizens of our great nation. The dedicated faculty and the staff of KVS have been the cornerstone of its success. Their unwavering dedication, innovative teaching methods, and genuine care for students have consistently raised the bar of excellence. To all our teachers, your contribution is invaluable. You are the guiding light for generations of learners, and on this day we honor your efforts. Let us also take this opportunity to acknowledge the remarkable achievements of our students who have brought laurels to KVS in various fields, academics, sports, cultural activities, and beyond. You are the true ambassadors of Kendriya Vidyalaya values and principles. As we commemorate this Foundation Day, let us pledge to uphold the values and traditions of KVS. Let us resolve to continue striving for excellence, nurturing creativity, fostering inclusivity, and building a future that resonates with the motto of our schools. In conclusion, let us remember that the legacy of KVS is not just about its past achievements, but also about the promise of a brighter future. Together, as students, teachers, and stakeholders, we will continue to uphold the ideals of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and take it to even greater heights. Thank you, and a very happy KVS Foundation Day to everyone. Thank you.
Respected Sri Malke Saab, Principal of this institution, and Sri Padmavati Madam, Correspondent of Gates Engineering College, others, delicate and powerful teachers, Srinivas sir, Naisarao sir, Babu sir, all PGDs, then TGDs, PRTs, and sub-staff members, then clerks, everybody, and my dear young children, good morning everybody. Hiranmayena patrena satyashabhida mukham tattambu shapavannu satya dharmaya drushtaya. English version, the golden veils cover the face of truth. Oh thou Naresha, remove the cover, the only truth will come up. In Hindi, सुनहरे पात्र में सत्य का मुख ढका हुआ है, ये सर्वपोषक ढक्कन घटा जिसमें सत्य निष्ठा को प्रकटित कर. सो ब्यूटिफुल, दिस इज ए ईशावास्य उपनिषद. सत्य निष्ठा को प्रकटित करने वाले कौन? अध्यापक है. अध्यापक नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है. सो सत्यमेव जयते, सदा सच की ही जीत होती है. ट्रूथ इज ऑलवेज विन. इसका मतलब है, स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा है, एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन मस्ट हैव बिहाइंड हिम ट्रमेंडस इंटीग्रिटी, ट्रमेंडस सिंसियरिटी, दैट इज ए कॉज ऑफ सिग्नल टू सक्सेस देयर लाइफ. कौन है सक्सेस करने वाले? अध्यापक है. अध्यापक ही सक्सेस है. हार्दिक धन्यवाद देता हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Speech. It's very informative. The KV Gutti produce good personalities, good human beings first of all, and many more dignitaries posted in different high positions. Thank you so much, Ahmad sir. Now over to the comparing party. Thank you.
Thanks on this 62nd KVS Foundational Day. I'm very thankful for our chief guest, Madam Padmavathamma, who spared her valuable time in spite of her busy schedule. On behalf of Principal Sir, staff, and students, I'm extending my thanks for being a chief guest on this day, and I'm thankful for Madam for giving her inspiring speech for these young children. Thank you once again, Madam. Thank you very much for a valuable speech. Definitely, we will follow your instructions. Thank you, Madam. Sultan sir, who was our colleague, now sir has come as to get felicitation. So Sultan sir also has given a valuable speech and he shared his experiences, valuable experiences. So thank you very much for accepting our invitation. And also I am thankful to our principal sir who have given us a lot of freedom to make this function in a grand success. And I am also thankful our teachers who are really guided the students in a right way. Thank you for all the teachers who have guided the children in a right way. Thank you very much. And also my students who are always within a short time they will prepare whatever expectations. So I am thankful for all my students who have given us such a grandful events and making this function is a grandful success. So once again I am thankful everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.
आदिवासी नृत्य की दुनिया में उनका स्वागत है. वे कृपया मंच पर आए और अपने नृत्य कला प्रस्तुत करें।
Vidyalaya to show their acting talents with their skit. Let's welcome them.
Hey, it's very hot today. Turn on the fans.
Sorry dear, there has been a short circuit. There is no electricity.
Oh no, there is no electricity. Even the shops are also closed.
Hey, don't get irritated. Come out.
Why did you call me?
Look at this. It's a solar fan. When the sun rays falls on the solar panel, the motor gets energy and the motor starts working and hence the fan rotates.
Oh. When we use such devices?
Situations as such. Are you guys talking about solar energy?
Yes.
Do you know that solar energy is going to become not just an option but a global necessity? Even our government is trying to replace diesel-based agricultural water pumps with solar-based water pumps.
Oh.
Do you guys know about rooftop solar program?
No.
It's for the residential sector and the electrical appliances which we use at home that completely depend on solar energy.
Yes, I have heard about this somewhere. Yes, I seen in my relative's house.
As our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said that solar energy is going to become a major medium of electrical needs, not just today, even in the 21st century because solar energy is sure, pure and secure today. Thank you.
Prepared by our students of class 9. It involves various movements and mesmerizing formation which will engross you to the core. So let's welcome them with a round of applause. performances by the students of our Vidyalaya. Wait. But do you know what irony in this? Well, you have to guess. The character portrayed by our students. So good luck, audience. Let's welcome them with a round of applause.
Hi, I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I was born on 12th July 1982. This is my iconic action in table tennis. Some of my major achievements are 2 gold medals in the Asian Games and 4 gold medals in the Olympic Games. Sometimes I refer with the nickname of flag bearer with my close friends. Can you guess my name?
Come on guys, make a guess.
Yes, I am Sharad Kamal. Thank you.
Hi, I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I was born 6th December 1990. This is my iconic action. Some of my achievements: I am the Indian fast bowler to reach 100 ODI wickets. I am the nickname of Boom. Can you guess my name? Yes, I am the Boomra. Thank you.
Hi, I am from Panipat, Haryana. I was born on 24 December 1997. This is my iconic action. Some of my major achievements: I am the first Indian attacker field to win a Olympic gold medal. I have been bestowed the award of Padma Shri in year 2022. I am sometimes refers the nickname of Sarpanch. Can you guess my name? Yes, my name is Neeraj Chopra.
Hi, I am from Madhya Pradesh. I was born on 5th July 1985. My iconic action. Some of my major achievements: I have first player to score 900 career goals. I have award of best player of the world 5 times. Sometimes I have reviewed with the nickname of CR7. Can you guess me? Yes, thank you.
On 5th November 1988. This is my iconic action. Major achievements are: I have completed 50 ODI centuries and 9,040 runs in Test with 23 centuries. I have awarded with Padma Shri in 2017. My nickname is Chiku. Can you guess my name? Yes, I am Virat Kohli. Thank you.
बोलते हैं जो दिल से, उनकी बातों दिलों में बस जाती है। अब हमारे मंच पर आएंगी कक्षा 6वीं की मदीहा, जो हमें हिंदी में अपने भाषण प्रस्तुत करेगी। स्वागत कीजिए जोरदार तालियों के साथ।
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, मुख्य अतिथि, शिक्षकों और मेरे प्रिय छात्रों, आज हम एक बहुत ही अनोखा दिवस मनाने के लिए यहाँ पे एकत्रित हुए हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का स्थापना दिवस। इस दिन हम उन महावीरों को सम्मान देते हैं जिन्होंने इस अनोखे विद्यालय का निर्माण किया है। श्रीमती अहल्याचार्य जी केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की पहली कमिश्नर थी। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का निर्माण 1936 में हुआ था और तब से केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन सारे गतिविधियों में पहले स्थान में आता है। भारत में कुल 1250 केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं और 3 बाहर हैं, जो कि काठमांडू, मॉस्को और टेहरान में हैं। आंध्र प्रदेश में कुल 46 केंद्रीय विद्यालय हैं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन को 25 रीजनल ऑफिसेस के द्वारा कंट्रोल किया जाता है। हाल ही में श्रीमती निधि पांडे जी केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की कमिश्नर है। वो एक IAS ऑफिसर है 1991 बैच से। आज हमें बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है कि हम एक PM श्री स्कूल हैं। KVS को पहले सेंट्रल स्कूल के नाम से भी जाना जाता था। KVS का उद्देश्य है अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर बढ़ना। KVS का आदर्श है तत्वम पूषण अपावृणु। KVS का मोटो है मृत्युर्मामृतम गमया। KVS के स्कूलों में भारत का राष्ट्रीय शैक्षिक अनुसंधान प्रशिक्षण परिषद NCERT का पाठ्यक्रम पढ़ाया जाता है। KVS के शिक्षक ज्ञान के सागर है। उनकी शिक्षा से बच्चों को एक नया मार्ग मिलता है। PM श्री केंद्रीय विद्यालय गुत्ती के शिक्षक बच्चों को प्रेरणा देते हैं। उनकी शिक्षा से बच्चों को एक नया मार्ग मिलता है। धन्यवाद।
है बस हमें यही सिखलाया। नृत्य की धुन में खो जाऊं, जीवन की खुशियों को पाऊं। अब हमारे नन्हे नृत्य सितारों को मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं। कृपया अपनी जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे नृत्य कलाकारों का स्वागत करें।
आएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. When heartfelt words resonate with genuine action, change is bound to come. So to convey a few words about KVS Foundation Day, we have Kirtana.
And I am proud to be a part of Kendriya Vidyalaya family. It is my privilege to address you today on our Foundational Day as we celebrate our institution's commitment to excellence in education and its alignment with the visionary goals of NEP 2020. And I am excited to share some thoughts on how NEP 2020 is transforming the way we learn and teach and what it means for our institution. As a part of strict implementation of NEP 2020, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has introduced under the guidelines of Ministry of Education in India, strictly following the implementation FLN, Foundation of Literacy and Numerous, to impart basic knowledge in about those mentioned aspects. Heart integrated education is systematically followed in which the students involve enthusiastically. Skill development workshops conducted to impart first-hand experience of various skills like carpentry, pottery, toy making, origami and computer knowledge. As a part of this one, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is providing hand-holding support to nearby state government schools to provide them computer knowledge. CPD, Continuing Professional Development. Under this program, teachers have been trained in the latest trends of competency-based teaching, competency-based learning, and competency-based evaluation. Those trained teachers also called master trainers, and in turn these master trainers will try rest of the teachers. Ultimately, this training outcome will reflect on the effective stress-free collaborative learning of the students. Apart from all the above, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has got the lion's share of the premium scheme of PMSRI, that is PM Schools for Rising India, Prime Minister's School. Under the scheme, schools have been blessed with flow of funding to develop the infrastructural needs of the school, ensuring them to raise the stand. Thank you.